Mailchimp allows you to permanently delete your account, erasing all data completely. As of 2026, this is a straightforward but irreversible process. This video will guide you through exporting your data and permanently closing your account. Reasons for deletion include switching to another platform, addressing privacy concerns in light of rising data breaches, where 33 billion records were exposed annually as of 2025, or simply reducing your digital footprint. Before deleting your Mailchimp account, export all your data. This includes subscriber lists, which are your audience, campaign data, reports, and automation workflows. Once the account is deleted, you will no longer have access to this information. Export these key data types: subscriber lists, which form your audience, campaign data, reports, and automation workflows. Mailchimp provides CSV and PDF export options in your dashboard. Find exports under Audience, All Contacts, Export for subscriber lists and reports, Export data for campaign reports. Mailchimp also sends reminders via email with links to export your data before account closure. Remember, data export is crucial and non-negotiable before account deletion. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password through the login page. Next, navigate to the Audience section from your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll find your contact lists. Then select All Contacts to open the full list of subscribers in your audience. Now click the Export Audience button, usually located at the top right of the Contacts page. Choose your preferred export format, such as CSV, and wait for the export to complete. Then download the file to save it locally. Finally, repeat this export process for any additional lists, campaign reports, or automation workflows you wish to preserve before account deletion. After exporting your data, navigate to the Account section, then select Settings to access your account options. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Close Account option and select it. Mailchimp will present a warning about the permanent nature of this action. This is your last chance to cancel. Review the terms carefully and confirm that you understand the consequences. You may be prompted to provide a reason for closing your account. Select from the options or choose Other. Before deleting your Mailchimp account, complete these prerequisites. If you have a paid plan, cancel it first. Then, remove your billing information from the account settings. Here's the billing form, where you can remove your information. Also, disconnect any integrations with other services, such as QuickBooks. For free accounts, you can proceed with deletion right after exporting your data. After initiating the account closure, check your email for a verification link from Mailchimp. This verification process can take up to 48 hours due to increased account verification measures for fraud prevention. Once you receive the email, click the verification link to permanently confirm the account deletion. For paid accounts, billing resolution may be required before the deletion process can be completed. Understanding your data privacy rights is crucial when deleting your Mailchimp account. The process aligns with important regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Under the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, you have the right to erasure, also known as the right to be forgotten. This allows you to request deletion of your personal data from companies. In the United States, the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, gives consumers similar rights to request deletion of their personal information from businesses. When you delete your Mailchimp account, the platform follows these regulations. They erase your user-generated content, but may keep minimal metadata for tax or legal compliance. By understanding these rights, you can confidently manage your online data. If you encounter delays or issues during the account deletion process, check Mailchimp's status page for uptime information. Delays can occur during peak seasons like holidays when support ticket volumes increase. Remember, account deletion is permanent and irreversible. Once completed, you cannot recover your data, lists, or campaign history. Privacy experts, like the Electronic Frontier Foundation, recommend always exporting your data before deletion to maintain control over your subscriber lists and campaign information. In the future, AI and blockchain technologies may further streamline and secure the data deletion process. But for now, manual exporting of your data remains crucial to ensure you retain access to your information.